We had a very challenging problem at the authority, and we needed consultants who were experienced but flexible. tTech's consulting team is well known in the industry, and they have the experience to help us to guide us through this complex issue. So it was started out as seeking advice, continuing to refine the problem. As we got into more structure, we were able to put a project around it and get it started. There's an important service that the authority provides to the aviation industry. This system produces the licenses for the stakeholders in the industry. And over time, it had not been upgraded along the path that it should have been. So at this point, we had come to the point now where we had a pending upgrade, some difficulties in the relationships, some challenges internally. We had to find a way to migrate off the obsolete platform onto a modern platform. And there were several challenges that were presented with project planning, and the whole business of creating a project and working towards a technical project plan. That was a discipline we didn't have, and we had to embed that. We had also the whole concept of doing a disciplined user acceptance test, setting up the test, building out the scripts, putting the test data together, running through the scenarios and correcting as we go along. Those were the detailed disciplines that we had to execute in order to complete the upgrade. So it's a critical service. I can't emphasize how critical it was. And to be able to move it from the obsolete platform onto the current platform required us to go through methodology and allowed us to get rid of the bugbears, the challenges that we couldn't figure out. I'm very grateful for the support from the tTech consulting team. They bring professional experience to the table. They were able to help us with the things that we did not know or we did not understand. They created that open space, that honest space for us to discuss and resolve the problems that we had in front of us. It was a very good combination, the tTech team, my team, and my user community. The local experience was vital because this is, although it's an internationally regulated service, it is delivered here in Jamaica by Jamaicans. And the discipline that tTech brought, the IT discipline, and the understanding of the Jamaican context was very, very important for this success. So I would definitely recommend tTech for these kind of complex problems that are local but have international scope. So this was a relatively complex problem that we were facing at the authority. Damaged relationships, both internally and externally, were plaguing this project. It was delayed for at least 24 months before we brought the tTech team in to support us. My role was to set up the chess pieces, bring tTech, bring our internal persons, users, technical people, as well as the software development firm together. tTech took on the role to assess what was going on, do the detailed research. They did the coaching, bringing everybody together and setting up a framework upon which they could execute the project. And I really appreciated that because I did not have to get into the details myself, which is very important at my level. If I'm into the details, I cannot be performing the strategic role. tTech's team got into the details, worked with our users, worked with our application developers, created the framework. We were able to produce the project plan, which was the first one, and we were able to test against the framework that they created and produce the results. the coaching, the research, and that project management momentum was essential for success. And we have to be really grateful for the team for that. I want to express my sincere gratitude. Certainly, I've done so to my internal team and to our partners, the application development team, but to the tTech team for working with us. We had some challenges along the way. We had some snafus, and we were able to work through those challenges and get value for the authority. So I really am grateful, and I want to wish the consulting team and the rest of the wider tTech team Merry Christmas when it comes, and a Happy New Year, a happy profitable New Year.